Let me ask you something. If two people earn $100,000 in America, one is a regular employee, the other is a 1099 contractor, who takes home more money? Most people think 1099 makes more, but when tax season hits, many freelancers get shocked because nobody explained one simple thing. 1099 workers don't just pay income tax, they pay both sides of payroll taxes. And today I'm breaking this down with real numbers. No fluff, no confusion, just facts. A W2 employee, someone who works for a company. The company withhold your taxes, pays half of your social security and Medicare, may offer health insurance, may offer 401k match, pays unemployment insurance. When you earn $100,000 as W2, you pay federal income, state tax if applicable, 7.65% payroll tax, like for social security plus Medicare. But here is the key, your employer also pays 7.65% on your behalf. So total payroll tax is 15.3%, but you only see half of it. A 1099 contractor is self-employed. You get paid gross, no taxes withheld, no benefits included, no company paying half your payroll taxes. If you earn $100,000 as 1099, you pay federal income tax, state tax, full 15.3% self-employment tax. That means you pay both halves of social security and Medicare, and that surprises many new freelancers. Let's simplify this. Let's assume income is $100,000, no state tax for simplicity. W2 employee, payroll tax is equal to $7,650. Income tax rough estimate $22,000. Now the total tax is $29,650 and his take home is $70,350 plus maybe 401k match, health insurance contribution, paid leave. On the other hand, 1099 contractor, self-employment tax, that is 15.3%, which is equal to 15,300. But here is something important. You can deduct half of that for income tax calculation. Still, income tax plus SC tax combined often ends up higher initially. Without deductions, total tax may reach $35,000 plus, and his take home is $65,000 before deductions. At first glance, WT seems better, but wait, this is where things get interesting. 1099 workers have something powerful, business deductions. They can deduct home office, internet, equipment, travel, mileage, software, part of phone bill. If they reduce taxable income from $100,000 to $80,000, tax drops significantly. A smart 1099 contractor can reduce taxes legally. A W2 employee, very limited deductions after 2018 tax law changes. This is why smart self-employed individuals sometimes pay less, but only if they understand the system. Taxes are not the only difference. W2 employees get paid vacations, health insurance subsidy, job stability, employer retirement match. 1099 workers must pay for their own health insurance, their own retirement, no paid sick leave, no employment benefits. So, even if 1099 pays less tax after deductions, you must factor benefits cost. Freedom comes with responsibility. The real answer, so who pays more? The real answer, it depends. If you are a 1099 contractor making $60,000 with no deductions and no planning, you probably pay more. If you are 1099 making $150,000 plus with smart deductions and tax strategy, you might pay less. If you value stability and benefits, W2 may be better if you value control and scaling income. 1099 may win. So the biggest mistake people make choosing 1099 for higher pay without understanding tax responsibility or staying W2 without understanding loss restriction opportunities. It is not about which one is better. It is about which one you understand because the IRS does not care if you are confused. They only care if you paid. Thanks for watching. If this hits your heart, like, subscribe, comments what you want to know in the next video. See you next time. Bye.